The auxiliary power unit, or APU, is a secondary source of power. Let's take a look at what the APU does and how it works. The APU is an auxiliary source of power. When the aircraft is grounded but not yet connected to an airport power source, the APU can supply power for flight deck avionics, air conditioning throughout the cabin, and other requirements. The APU also provides the power needed to start the main engines. Here's how. The APU produces pressurized air, which turns a small turbine device at the engine, which in turn rotates the main gearbox and engine internals. This starts the fuel and airflow process that runs the jet engine. The APU is a gas generator that operates like the core of a jet engine. It has an electric battery-powered starter. Air is drawn in through a port at the rear of the plane, then mixed with fuel and ignited. The combustion drives a turbine that pressurizes more air that can be used for purposes like the ones we just described, or to run an electrical generator. The APU exhausts out of the rear of the aircraft.